Hello, friends. There is another thing that I want to mention here in this section, and that is expand appearance or expanding your objects. Yes, friend, especially these two are essential, kind of essential, you can say, in case of text and effects. Yes, friend. Let's write here something. Say, my name is John, or say only John. John Doe. Let me increase its size just like this. And now, let's say for example, you want to change the color of this O here and this O here. Generally in logo designs, you might have noticed that a single letter color is kind of different. Or say for example, this H is having a tail which is kind of big or little tail, but that will kind of stand out, and that's what a logo does, right? A logo should be simple, but it should be meaningful. Okay, just try to think that what if you want to work on a single letter. You can do that, see, using the direct selection tool. If you want to select this O, and if you want to move it down, say only this O, it will not move down. The whole text is getting selected. So for this, you need to go to object. You need to expand this text. Now let's click on OK. And now using the direct selection tool, you select this O. Yeah, select the O. Remember to select the fill section, not on the stroke. Okay. See, let me zoom in and let me drag it. See, zooming and drag around your document. It's really very handy. So Control plus for zooming in, and for dragging around your document, spacebar drag, spacebar drag. That's it. I mean, yeah, that only. Now remember, select on the fill color, not on the stroke. Yeah, see, not on the stroke. See, when you have clicked on the stroke, you can see the anchor handles. And here you will see few properties based on this anchor handle or these anchor points. Okay. Now, for that, for changing the color, you need to click on the fill, and then you can change its color to something else. See? Now, this expand stuff is also necessary after you have provided an effect. Not necessary, I will say, but it kind of makes sense actually. Say, for example, here you have drawn an ellipse, right? Let's select it using the selection tool. See its bounding box. It's kind of relative to the shape itself, right? Now let's apply some effects. Say pucker and bloat. Let's check the preview option. And say for example you have created this shape, right? Now let's click on OK. Now see the bounding box, it's kind of circle only, or sorry, elliptical only, right? We don't want that. Let's go to object, click on expand appearance, and now see the bounding box. So it's kind of you can apply that expand appearance stuff after applying an effect. Yeah, also this 3D option is there, right? Yep, it is inside effect only, so it's covering 3D also. So expand for text and expand appearance for those objects where you have applied effect, any effect. Okay, so that's it. I thought to include it because it might be helpful to you. As I have told you that this section is really very helpful, as I have illustrated you an example previously, that is, say for example, you are using Illustrator for so many days and then you have taken a break and you have started learning some other software, say Photoshop or After Effects or something else, or say you have shown interest in development, WordPress, PHP, or something else, and then again after some days you have come back to Illustrator. Then you can take a look at these lectures, and you and automatically you will understand that, oh yeah, by this I can work with it. So for this reason I am just putting all of these things together and I am just placing it inside a single section. So that's it guys, here I'm concluding this lecture and I'll be updating this section uh, whenever I will feel like, and if you have anything to recommend, surely you can. So that's it guys, see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.